super muddy. There's water everywhere. Everything's flooded. The creek behind me and the creek in front of me is flowing with water. Just had a mouse crawl into this blind. It scared the crap out of me. It was climbing above my head. I was like, what the heck was that? Could be something else around here. Because something's growling outside the blind. I don't know what it is. But anyways, like I was saying, the creek behind me, in front of me, it's flowing with water. They had a lot of water, a lot of rain. They're calling for thunderstorms this morning. It's going to rain till about noon, 1 o'clock, which is till 1 o'clock. You can only hunt legally here, 1 p.m. So hopefully this rain and thunder doesn't affect them too much. If anything, the thunder is going to get them gobbling because they're going to be responding back to that thunder, so I don't think turkeys are too much affected by, rain or anything like that, unless it's like a torrential downpour. Then they'll just sit tight, but it shouldn't start raining till like 7:30, 8 o'clock. So who knows, even by then you could get one down anyway. So hopefully I get one today. I'm in that same spot, and I'll keep you guys posted. It's starting to get right just about gray light right now, so should start hearing Tom's gobble here pretty soon. So just a few more minutes, and I guess we'll see. I'll keep you guys posted. Just heard the first gobble. It's 5:43. Still just barely gray light, and I got first Tom gobble. Sounded like he was a couple hundred yards away to the west of me, so kind of right in front of me this way. They're starting to gobble, so they're here. There's 3 toms behind me. One's within 100 yards. So one is super, super close. You might even hear him. It also smells like... Did you hear that? That's that close when he's within 100 yards of me. It's just behind me. To the south, a car went by and 2 of them went off, and then another one. And like I said, there's one over there and 3 back over here, so I think that's 4 gobblers I've heard this morning so far. And there's plenty more here, I know that. Here in a few minutes I'll start doing light yelping. Here in a few minutes I'll start doing light burring and some yelping. I set up the decoy, so gotta make them think that there's hens here. Hopefully they fly down and they come to me and they see the decoys and they head right to them.
raining pretty hard right now. Super loud, and I think the temperature dropped like a good 5-10 degrees. Wow. Thank God for this canvas top that I have in here. I'm super dry, but it got colder. It's gonna rain for like the next hour or so. It's only 8 a.m. right now, 8 o'clock. It's gonna rain for like the next 45 minutes to an hour, and this storm should pass. And hopefully that'll bring all the turkeys out. I guarantee you they're all hunkered down right now. Man, is it raining though.
Well, it's been a really slow morning. The rain passed. I heard a few toms gobble. When the thunder would hit, they would gobble. But the rain's passed now, and everything's just gotten like real quiet. Not hearing any turkeys. Just got really slow. But you never know when one might step out. I've been calling here and there, using my slate call. Hopefully that'll get the attention of some toms that hit a mile away. I don't know how long I'll hunt, but it's about 9:15 right now, and it's been pretty slow, so I'll keep you posted. Alright, so we just had a second wave of thunderstorms come through, and I haven't heard a gobble in quite some time. It's currently exactly 10 o'clock right now. This spot has just gotten a little slow. Just probably not the right time, but I have been hearing, every so often, I have been hearing like a gobble or two on the north side of the property, kind of where my car is parked at. So I'm going to pack it up here and walk back to the car and actually go a little bit more north and make a few calls, and if I hear a bird or something, then I'll set up in a blind that's over there. But if not, then I'll just call it quits for today. The spot that I'm in now is a very good spot. It's in the back corner of this field. I got woods all around me, but just not where the birds are at. I heard them move south when they came off the roost, and then I heard some go north. So they're here, they're just not where I'm at. And since I'm blind hunting, since it's raining, I'm stuck to one spot. I mean, unless I go spot and stalk them like I have been doing with Mike and all them. That's another option, but so I guess we'll see. Well, as I just got out of this blind here behind me, there's two toms gobbling back over here, a couple 100 yards. I don't know how far exactly they are, and I don't know if they're still on this property or not. So it's kind of like, what do I do now? Do I go try to chase them or work my way north? They responded a few times to my crow calls, so I don't know. There he goes again. Sounds like they're like 300-400 yards away, maybe farther. Well, I just moved to a different part of the property. Haven't heard anything over here. I've been crow calling. I yelped. Did some calling sequences, nothing. Either I move up just a little bit more, or I call it quits for today. Might be quits.
about 10:30 right now. It's all the birds have just completely shut up. Either they're breeding with hens, which probably they are. So I don't know. Been slow the past few hours. That's gonna be it for today. Got real slow on me. Got real quiet. It's like 11 o'clock now. I'm back at the car. Haven't heard anything. Haven't heard a gobble for like 30 minutes or more, actually. Probably an hour. So nothing special happened on this one, but did have some time to get out in the woods. Did have some time to be out and relax in the wilderness. So if you guys liked it, give me a thumbs up, subscribe. Peace.